Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card reader bootable. First, ensure your card reader is properly connected to your computer. Then, insert the memory card you wish to use into the reader. Before proceeding, it's crucial to back up any important data from the memory card, as the next steps will erase its contents. This preparation ensures you don't lose valuable files. Next, we need to prepare the memory card. Open your computer's disk management utility or a similar tool. Carefully locate your memory card in the list of drives. It's often identifiable by its storage size, such as 8 GB or 32 GB. Once identified, format the memory card. For most bootable media, FAT32 or NTFS are suitable file systems, depending on your operating system. Now, let's create the bootable media. You'll need a specialized tool, such as Rufus or Ventoy, which are excellent for this purpose. Launch the chosen application and select your operating system's ISO file. This file contains all the necessary installation data. Then, carefully choose your memory card as the target device for writing the bootable image. Double-check your selection to avoid overwriting other drives. Finally, it's time to test your bootable card. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings, usually by pressing a key like F2 or delete during startup. Navigate to the boot order menu and set your card reader as the primary boot device. Save your changes and exit. If the system doesn't boot, consider trying a different memory card, ensuring it has at least 8 GB of storage or a different card reader, as compatibility can vary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.